me, it only works if you're super passionate about what you're doing. I was always interested in making things and design and engineering, building stuff. I was quite young, so I didn't really have much money. The only way of having that thing was to make it yourself. I remember using Instructables from a super young age to connect with people, but also get inspiration. This community of people doing all these really cool projects that you're interested in. I think I wrote my first Instructable when I was still in primary school. I just remember it was a fun time to build stuff. As a student or as any young person, there's never really been any better time to actually make something. There's so many tools available to you now, mainly because of information. It's so easy to find information out online, and you can literally just use design software and design things yourself. And also for manufacturing, you can literally just do it yourself. The future of work will mean that you can innovate a lot quicker, supplementing your knowledge with other people's learnings. It's never been a better time to do that with the amount of information that you can share so easily. So the electric bike, I used Fusion to plan out the whole project to get an idea onto the screen of like a 3D sketchbook. To be able to take something, an original idea or something that you're just interested in, anything really, you just go out there and find the information, it's all there for you. Just get going.